Today, CDC is releasing updated guidance for K through 12 schools. We've done a reevaluation of the science, and the science has showed us that we know what works to help keep schools safe and open. So anyone who's fully vaccinated, they don't need to mask indoors. They don't need to physical distance. However, it can be difficult for a school to either document the vaccination status of their students, teachers, and staff. And so in that situation, they might decide to do universal policies. So it will really be up to the schools and the districts and the states to determine if they're able to put different rules in place in the classroom for those who are fully vaccinated compared to those who are not yet vaccinated. We also recognize that distancing in the classroom is a challenge in some places. And so our updated guidance, even though we're recommending at least 3 feet of physical distancing for COVID-19 prevention, if a school or classroom is not able to maintain at least 3 feet distancing, that should not keep any kids out of the classroom. So our recommendation is, if you're going to remove any prevention strategies, do them one at a time and monitor to make sure that you're not having any increase in cases.
So the guidelines provide that framework for schools and school districts to think about what makes sense for them. And I think 2 pieces of that are really important to consider are, again, the COVID situation in the area and the vaccination rates. I think we're just all going to continue to be in a state of kind of just needing to monitor and stay flexible and kind of look for, what's happening again in our local areas and adapt a little bit as needed.